Hi, it's Ray Mills, your VBA Craftsman from Excel and VBACraftsman.com. Today I'm going to take you through the Accounts Receivable tab on the Customer Manager, the Invoice, and AR tool. So here we go. Let's start with our first customer. Let's take a look at Marley Chambers and see if they have anything outstanding. And he has one invoice. I don't really want to do some of one of his because it's not going to show you all the features. So let's go back to customer maintenance and let's switch to another customer. The Terminators. Okay, so the Terminators are a competitor, but we are the sole distributor locally of Bug Slayer Termicide. So even though they're our competitors, they come to us to buy the Bug Slayer, which is a steady source of revenue for our Russo's Pest Control. So if I go to the accounts receivable, you'll see that they come every couple days and buy some 5-gallon buckets of the Termicide Bug Slayer. So he's got 16 invoices in total outstanding. We can look at any invoices by going like this. We can change it to its status by saying it's paid in full. Let's say it was actually outstanding, that check bounced. So we hit update. And you'll see that jumped to outstanding, right? And you could also leave notes. So if I only wanted to see what was outstanding, to say what do they owe us at any point, and you can see that looks like about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of them are outstanding. So now you know to pick up the phone, and one of them's pretty old, 71 days. I'm sorry, 71 days old. So way to manage your accounts receivable, see what's outstanding. All at a point-and-click type thing, very fast, very slick, and very easy. So if you're interested, please visit my website, Excel and VBA Craftsman, and go under the products heading. You'll see the menu at the top. Thanks.